Well, Project Zulu is about helping these Zulu children to help themselves. We have raised money to bring them here, over to the UK, so they can sing and dance and show off their amazing musical and dancing talents to showcase their fantastic Zulu culture in order to raise money to benefit their school. We could have sent money out there without bringing them over here, but we felt that it was more empowering for them to raise money and bring them here so that they could earn money to take back to their school. And they're going to use every penny raised from every concert, from the sale of a CD, for every penny that's collected whilst busking, to purchase and install solar panels for their school roof. Well, today we're really thankful to Clifton College, who've invited us to come and use their recital room and recording studio so we can record an album of the children singing. The album will be available for download on iTunes and also to buy in CD form. So now let's have a listen to a little snippet of the children recording. One of the fantastic things about these children is that music just seems to run through their veins. They are singing and dancing all the time, even when they're not asked to. So when we've had breaks from the recording, we find actually that they're singing just as much in the breaks as they do when we're actually recording a track. The culture is just full of music and full of dance, and that's what we're here to demonstrate to the people of the UK. We just had a very interesting lunch at Clifton College in the canteen. They brought the entire hall to a standstill by singing 2 songs. In fact, some of them hadn't even finished their lunch when they stood up and sang. And this is what they're like. They just sing and dance everywhere, and they use their amazing talents to say thank you. And I think the song they've just done in the dinner hall was probably their way of saying thank you for having us and allowing us to record for the day in the studio. It was fantastic, and they got a rapturous round of applause.